Hello everyone. Today in this session I am going to explain scope hierarchy. It is built-in object contains application data and methods. The scope is an object that acts as a shared context between the view and controller that allows these layers to exchange information related to the application model. Both sides are kept synchronized along the way through a mechanism two-way data binding. Scope in AngularJS is the binding part of HTML view and JavaScript controller. When you add properties into the scope object in the JavaScript controller, only then HTML view gets access to those properties. The $scope is glue between a controller and view. It transfers data from the controller to view and vice versa. Vice versa means again view to controller. These are two types of scope in AngularJS. The first is $scope and second is $root scope. Let's see one by one. First $scope. When we have controller, then there would be child scope under the $root scope. In general, while writing controller, we pass $scope object as an argument. This is nothing but child scope. Syntax $scope. Features in scope. First, it has the HTML view. Next, it has the data which is available for the current view known as model. And third, it has the JavaScript function that makes changes, removes, controls the data known as controller. Let's see example. I'm using here two directives, ng-app and ng-controller. See, again I am using here Angular module function and controller function. And here I am using $scope .carname. See, this variable will be accessed equal to $scope.carname equal to bold. In my previous video, already I explained this code. The next is root scope. All applications have a $root scope, which is the scope created on the HTML element that contains the ng-app directive. The root scope is available in the entire application. If a variable has the same name in both the current scope and in the root scope, the application uses the one in the current scope. If the variable has same name in the both root scope and current scope, the controller or the application will use the current scope. It has a single $root scope. All the other $scope objects are child object of the scope. The properties and methods attached to $root scope will be available to all controllers. Scopes provide separation between the model and the view via a mechanism watching the model for changes. To use $root scope, we need to inject into the controller. Let's see example. Here I am using two directives. The first is the ng-app and second is the ng-controller. See, I am using here angular.module method and here use two parameters. This is $root scope and this is $scope. When I use $root scope object, that time I am using run method. See, app.run. App is a variable. Run in bracket function and dollar root scope object. Dollar root scope dot car name. See this car name equal to Honda City. The next, again I am using here controller method. Again pass to parameter ng controller and function dollar scope. Scope is object. And dollar scope dot car name equal to vulva. See, I am using here dollar root scope and dollar scope. When I use dollar root scope, that time I am using run method, and when I use the scope, that time I am using controller.